Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, long awaited, we're working finally on the 350, aren't we, Jack?
Yes.
Finally, bit of a change of plan. We're hoping this plan will work. We've tested it on one panel already. It seems like it's going to. Plus also this will allow us to put it outside in the state that it's in. I have ordered the wrap as well for the car, so that will be coming very, very soon. So that's why we're hammering down on this prep. Now, Jack, we've had a lot of complaints from people about the specific type of clothing that you're wearing. What do you have to say to that?
Curtis!
What are you shouting for?
What? Have you designed these t-shirts yet? And hoodies?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Come on.
Where are they?
Tonight, don't worry about it.
What was that? What was that?
Huh?
What was that?
Yeah, doing it tonight now.
So people's been complaining that
Actually?
it's a specific type of clothing, which we can't mention the name of.
And it's your fault.
And it's
As
your
in my fault?
We're waiting on your design. Your design. So if you've seen the last video as well, we wrapped that bonnet in gloss black. Max just put it on his car now. Does it look the part, Mac?
Yeah, it's nice. Thank you, Rusty Autos.
Hang on, wait, say that again.
Thank you, Rusty Autos.
Hey! Advertisement. Yeah, it does look really, really good. Matches the rest of the car now, so happy chap. He's just put it on, hence tools on the floor. So, okay, Jack.
Yeah, that's good, I like it.
So, this is the plan, what we've done now. This has all been high build primered. This is going to bring out any little imperfections in the paint before we wrap it. So, that is the plan. We are going to do this with every single panel, spray every single panel. Everything's been bodyworked. This needs bringing out a little bit more, hence the guide coat. We think the roof's done. The bonnet is done. Jack's just masking it all off now so we can start putting the spray on and start protecting that. Once that is done, we are going to start bulking out some more of this, and fixing a bit on the bonnet as well, where there was some air bubbles under the paint. So, the plan now, like I said...
Go sleep.
I wish it was to go sleep. Unfortunately not. But the plan is, we've got to get this 350 done, ready to be wrapped very soon, because the wrap is coming tomorrow. So, this is not going to be ready for tomorrow, because I've got to pick up some more high build primer. But we may do a lot of this off camera. If you guys are wanting to see this car in person and what progress we've got to, come to the car meet this Sunday, 2nd of June, 10 AM to 2 PM. So make sure you come in. Address in description. Make sure you're coming down. Anybody's welcome. Bring your mates. You know, let's have a good time. Because we're going to crack on with this and spray this bonnet. No, we're not going to spray the bonnet. We're going to spray the boot. So we've took all this paper off now. It's all primed on the front. This quarter panel. Now Jack's just taking off some trims. Same. No. But he's just he's taking these off.
Why is everyone laughing? What's funny about rubbers?
Because nobody here except me knows how to use one. That's what's funny. But Jack's removing this trim right here. And then what we're going to do, don't you... Oh! Okay.
I've never seen him move so fast.
Where's he? Oh, crap!
I wish he moved that fast when it comes to designing these t-shirts.
Hey! Back to the car. So, taking these little rubber trims off in here so we can mask it all off to primer, well, high build primer the boot to bring out any little imperfections. I've added some more filler here and sanded it down. It's all nice and smooth now. You can see. All good. I'm going to probably add some more to this side where you can see the black bits, what we filled in. Jack's going to continue masking that off, and I'm going to start mixing some filler.
So we're going to be washing the cars with some new Rusty Autos detailing, some secret product.
This is basically a new company that sent us some products to try out. There's a whole range.
Can we say a better one?
A hell of a lot better company. These They've got, in fact, where are they, Curtis? Are they still on here? Let me show you. There's some of this stuff here. They are already, they are in development. This is the wheel cleaner. That is absolutely awesome. We've already tried that. That's actually insane. Per wheel, you use about this much. But we're going to go through all them. We're not going to show you all this on camera. Mac and Curtis are just going to wash the cars out here.
Don't point at me and call me Curtis.
No, I said
That's an insult.
I said Mac and Curtis. They're going to wash the cars and try these for us and give us some feedback on them to see how they work. So we'll see about that soon, and you'll probably see us working with them in the future as well. We're on about doing a special Rusty Autos like sort of product as well to match the new wraps on the cars, Jack.
Better.
Better.
A lot. One word. Better.
What?
A lot better.
Just record on shit.
Come on. Oh, my back's killing me.
What are you doing?
I wash your car.
What do you reckon?
The stuff's pretty good, to be honest. It just don't smell about. Like, you think it'd smell of something a bit, I don't know, something fruity like you, but
Wait.
don't really smell of anything.
Says the two guys that are washing a car together.
Hey,
I'm sure I've seen you two hold hands.
hiya, man. Seen you and Rusty do a lot worse than that.
So?
So, yeah, no, it's pretty good stuff. I mean, it's clean and
Have you done the sweet corn one?
Sweet. Yeah, man.
Sweet corn would be up.
Curtis.
We'll wash yours next. Wash your car next if you want. Oh wait.
Oh, where is it?
Where is it?
It's broken.
Let's see. Let's see if anyone in the comments can guess.
Yeah, for those of you who didn't know, Jack blew a hole in the side of his big car.
Driving like a cunt as I.
Well, my name's not Curtis, so that's not true.
Well, obviously not Jack.
Curtis,
Yeah.
you missed a bit.
Which bit?
Half of the car.
Yeah, calm down. Wow, you're a mechanic. You missed loads of bits.
Oh, dude, forgot to put that screw in, lads. Don't worry.
Well, you missed half that roof.
Yeah, that's Mac. Mac's shit.
Is it-
He's not part of the
That's
Rusty
because I
team.
can't reach it, I'm too small.
Can I just see? He looks like a little child above this.
Look, no, I made it.
Look.
You love holding that camera, don't you?
A bit weird.
You love holding that camera, don't you?
A bit weird.
Because when I point it at you, you just like freeze up. Did you put the wipers up? Yeah, man. Cheers for that.
You abusing them, Jack.
Yep.
You having fun?
Yeah. Some guys had fun on you though.
It looks like Plaster's radio, doesn't it? What about this 350 though, Jackie boy? We've neglected it for a bit now. Now we've got to smash it out, haven't we? Look at Jack's little camera work. That's quite smooth actually now.
Is it?
Yeah, do you want to just show them this little bit here? So this is why we filled this. You can see all these little like bubbles. When this was previously painted, there was air trapped underneath. So when we put the wrap on it to test it, you would have seen that we did it in the gloss black. When we lifted it up, obviously that paint peeled off and left all these air rolls. So that's why we've had to fill it again. But this is also going to get high-build primed as well to get out any more imperfections. And then it's going to get wrapped. And you're zooming on my face again. And I look like a plasterer's radio. So one of the reasons we're showing you this process is we're not going to do the whole thing of this on camera. You know, we're showing you a little snippet and that we've not forgot about this Fast and Furious project. We're going to be smashing a lot of this out as much as we can because again this is taking a lot of space up in here as it is, so we need to be able to get it so it can actually go outside and not have to worry about when it rains when we're working on other people's cars. This is another reason why we are doing this. Jack's just prepping the boot now to spray it with some alcohol spray. He's now cleaning the areas, ready for us to put the I-Build primer on it. Once that's done, we're going to give it a few coats and then move on to another panel. But I don't think we're going to do that in this video. We're going to just literally do them two, I think, today. Update you again when we get further down the line. So how do you think that's come out, Jack?
Shocking.
Shocking. It's actually pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do we really need to wrap it?
Similar colour, isn't it?
It is actually, to be fair. But yeah, that's pretty much done. There, it's still drying. Needs another coat as well, doesn't it? But we've run out of primer. So we're going to leave this all masked up, ready for tomorrow. So again, like I said, we're going to leave a lot of this off camera because all we're going to be doing is this to the panels. We're going to progress and make sure every single panel is now like this. We're going to then, once we've done that, we're going to wet sand them, aren't we? With a really fine grit just to make sure it's smooth for when the wrap does go on it. So it gets put on very nicely and there's no imperfections in it, which is going to be great. Doing this process means we can wrap the car sooner. I think we're going to do the roof next, aren't we? And then work on the left-hand side of the car. So we'll probably put the door back on, put the trims back on as well and such. The title of this video may be a little bit confusing. The plans haven't changed, it's still going Fast and Furious Replica, but the process has changed. We wasn't planning on doing this, was we?
No.
But we thought it necessary just to get out all the little dings that we missed, because we could be sat there for weeks and weeks trying to get out every single little thing. Good to wrap it and then find another one that we can't find. This I-Build primer will help us build any little slight imperfections out as well. So that's another reason why I've changed the process. Back to the products.
Yeah.
What do you think so far?
It is good, like Jack said. It is good stuff. Cleaning the cars pretty well, but it just don't smell of it. Which is a big thing when you're cleaning your car, because it's quite satisfying to smell it.
It's
as well as it. Yeah, it does leave quite a good finish.
Still in the process of drying it.
But if you look here, like this bit, this is pretty much all dried, and it leaves quite a nice finish, especially on the
looks
right.
dead good on camera. Look.
Yeah.
But
it is good stuff. We've still not used the Hydrocoat as well, so.
Yeah, mine's come out like a mirror.
so there is still some products left to use, like the Hydrocoat. It causes beading, so it's like basically a protection without a ceramic coating or anything like that. So they are going to try that out as well. This is a new company, like I said, they're not actually released yet. We just get like first dibs on the products. We've got to give them feedback and let them know of any improvements. One of them would be smells, to improve the smells, because some do smell a little bit of stuff, but some stuff is not that strong really. The other thing as well is the colour of the products. You've got to make them more appealing to people on the shelf. If you walk into a store and you find a bottle of something that's like really vibrant, you're going to pick that over something that's just really dull that looks like water. Just my personal opinion really. I'm sure everybody else thinks the same. They're going to carry on cleaning the cars, so try that. Jack's just ripping Curtis. So they're going to carry on cleaning the cars, and we're going to literally stand out here while that car finishes drying, aren't we, Jack? Because it's fume heaven in there. So with this project, we've got so much things that we need to do. It's just bit by bit, a little time. The body kit's going to cost quite a bit of money. So what we're going to do is use the same body kit temporarily so far, wrap it in the same thing, just to give it a different look until we're ready for the body kit to go on. But you're going to see it like progress towards that. We've got the alloys in the back room. Again, a different set just for us to mess about on, to give it a different look till we go for the final thing, which is the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift replica build. So this is going to be an interesting watch for you guys. We're going to get there in the end, and then once we've done all the body work and the prep, we'll then start working on the stuff like the coilovers, the stuff on the engine as well. I think we're going to strip the engine down and redo all that, get it all machine cleaned so everything's all pristine as well, and start looking at plenum spaces and power and remaps. So you've got all that stuff to look forward to in the future on this. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out the Instagram for more content.